Guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Easter to everyone. I hope everyone is having a great day, and if this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you. I have 3 easy deals in this video that anyone can do. All you need is your phone. They are all digital deals, and I'll be using 3 spend booster, 1 paper booster of spend 25 get $7 Walgreen cash, and 2 digital spend booster of spend 15 get $5 Walgreen cash, and a spend 30 get $7 Walgreen cash. Let's go grab some deals. I would also like to mention that this is a brand new account. The first deal I'm picking up today will be on Crest toothpaste. They're on the deal of buy 2, you get $3 register reward back. I'll pick up 3 of the Crest toothpaste on sale for $3 each. 3 of them are going to total $9. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. That's why I'm picking up 3. That will drop it down to $4, and I'll get $3 register reward back, making all 3 of them just $1 or 33 cents each. The next deal I have is on Dove hair care. They're on the deal of buy 2, you get $3 register reward, and they're on sale for $4. I'm going to pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. Both will total $8. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6, and I'll get $3 register reward back. And I'll submit my receipt to Shopkick for $2 back on the second product I didn't use any coupon on. And after the $2 back, it will end up making the 2 bottles just $1 or 50 cents each. The last deal I'll pick up will be the spend 20 get $10 register reward on Shea Moisture product. I'll pick up the whole body deodorant cream on sale for $10 and the whole body invisible stick on sale for $10. Both are going to total $20. We have a $3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $17. I'll get $10 register reward back, and I'll submit my receipt to Shopkick for a $3 back on the second product I didn't use any coupon on. After the $3 back, these 2 items will end up costing me just $4 or $2 each. These are all the products I'll pick up using the 3 spend boosters I mentioned earlier on. And the total for all these items is $37. I have $10 in coupons, and I'll use $18 in register reward, and I'll pay the rest out of pocket. Let's go see how everything works out. Let's go over my receipt because this transaction went very well. All my digital coupons came off, the 5 off 3 and the $3 for the Shea Moisture and the $2 for the Dove. I ended up using the $18 register reward, pay $9 plus tax out of pocket, and I got back $3 register reward for the Crest toothpaste, another $3 register reward for the Dove hair care, and a $10 register reward for the Shea Moisture product. I submitted my receipt to Shopkick for $3 back for the Shea Moisture and a $2 back for the Dove hair care, and I also received $19 Walgreen cash because of the spend boosters I have. And after all the money I got back, this transaction ended up being free and a $13 money maker. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for your support, and I'll talk to you all next time.